everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be playing with the new Making Mauves collection from Colourpop. Why did I buy this? Great question. I know I'm not supposed to be shopping, but this was a collection I didn't hear about. I didn't see it on Trendmood. I got the email from Colourpop the day it launched, and I was like, well, sold. And I honestly wanted everything. With this collection, there was an eyeshadow palette, 2 Super Shock shadows, 2 blushes, and 2 lip glosses. I couldn't buy everything, but they did have different bundles, and I got the one called Making Mauves. So with it, I got the eyeshadow palette, the 2 Super Shock shadows, 1 blush, and 1 lip gloss. I feel like that's pretty decent. I think the packaging is really pretty on this collection. I haven't actually opened this up yet, so here goes nothing. Let's hope it's not broken. Oh, so pretty. It's prettier in person than it looked online, and it looked so pretty online, which is what sold me. Mauves are how I used to do neutral because I didn't wear brown shadow before. Now we all know I love brown shadow. But man, this is gorgeous. I think I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the palette first, and then we'll just go ahead and get into it. Looks like there's 5 mattes. This is a matte, but it's got like glitter suspended in it. And then I think these are just shimmers. That looks like it could be a Super Shock shadow. Maybe they're all Super Shock. I can't talk. Maybe they're all Super Shock shadows. I don't know yet. So we've got R&R, Solitaire, and Big Moves. There we go, less powdery. Then we've got Bicoastal. Wow, that's really pretty. A la Mode and Mauve on top. That's gonna be hard. I want all of these shimmers on my eyes. Wow. All right, then we've got Tongue Tied. Wow, these swatches are terrible, sorry guys. Marquee and Big Fig. I did a terrible job swatching, but the colors are gorgeous. They're exactly what I wanted. Just for good measure, let's do these 2 Super Shock shadows also. All right, this first one is Day Trippin'. Oh, it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. It's very like iridescent. Still pretty, but very light. I build it up. That builds a little. All right, and then the deeper one is called Bloomer. Bloomer. Oh, that's really gorgeous too. Dang, all 5 shimmer shades in this collection are gorgeous, and I only have 2 eyeballs. This sucks. All right, I'm gonna prime my eyes real quick, and then we'll get going with some eyeshadow. All right, I'm gonna start with R&R, and that is coming off more pigmented than I expected it to. That's nice. It's just crazy how mauve this is when it looks so like flesh toned, my flesh toned in the pan. I'm not mad at it. Next, I'm gonna take Big Moves. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just so like soft and girly. I'm gonna do Big Fig next. These colors are just playing so well together. Everything's just blending into each other beautifully. Okay, Marquee's next. Moment of truth. How will this deep shade blend? So far, so good. That was just super easy to blend together. Oh, the hardest decision of my life. What do I put on my lid? Oh, I think I'm gonna do Mauve on top. That's just calling to me. Oh, goodness. It's so freaking beautiful. Now that I'm playing with it, I don't think it's a Super Shock. I think it's just a regular shimmer. It's just hard to tell when you're swatching. I mean, but they all feel firmly packed where they're Super Shocks and more bouncy. I think that's really the giveaway there. That shine is so freaking intense and pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Bicoastal and just put it more towards the inner eyelid, I think. Yeah. Dang. Right, now I'm gonna take some of the Super Shock shadow, the shade Bloomer, just like a little bit on the outer lid. Marry the 2. I just want to add a little more depth with that shade Marquee because I kind of covered up because I went shimmer crazy. It happens. Okay, I think that's really pretty for, well, the upper lid. I'm gonna put a base on, go get some foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer on, and I will be back. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna put some shadow on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take some Marquee and some Big Fig. I think I'm gonna use this gray eyeliner from Dose of Colors in the lash line, lower lash line, that is, as liner. All right, now that that's looking smoky, let's do some blush. Okay, so the shade that came with my bundle is called Coast to Coast. Again, really pretty packaging. Whoop. Wet? Cool. So they didn't put the fucking blush in it. Well. Is this real life? Okay. I'll have to email Colourpop about that. Cool, that's a bummer. I'm gonna put some regular blush on and I'll be right back. This is so stupid. Okay, I'm still in disbelief over that situation, but I added some blush and highlight. I think I'm gonna take the Day Trippin' Super Shock Shadow and put it in my inner corner. I mean, it's pretty, it mostly just looks glittery. Ooh. Okay. Shit, I got a lip gloss. Let's make sure it's in here. Oh, it's in there. Okay, so I got the shade Check In. I'm first gonna go in with this lip liner though from Colourpop. This is the shade Oh Snap. All right, now let's go in with Check In. God, it smells so good, like sweet tarts. That's pretty. All right, that's a really pretty color. Now I just need to pop on some mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. What do we think? I mean, this is one of my preferred color schemes. I have other mauve palettes, but this one, it leaned more purple mauve, and that's like right up my alley. Purples are my favorite, and I mean, I got a pretty purple eye look out of this. I used 6 out of the 9 shades, and everything blended together seamlessly. The shimmers are stunning, and the mattes blended like butter. Great palette. The Super Shocks, I mean, I don't know if they only sell them in a duo. If you were gonna get one, I'd get this one just because there's more pigment. This is more of a topper. The Day Trippin', where Bloomer actually came off as a purple. I'd love to review this blush for you guys, but yeah, all I can say is cute packaging, seeing as how there's no fucking blush in here. That's so annoying. And then the lip gloss, just, it's a beautiful color. If you haven't used this formula, since it's still kind of newer, it's not like sticky, but it is thick. I like it though. It's really nice and it smells like sweet tarts, and this is a pretty color. Overall, very happy with the collection. Like I said, I want to try the blush still. Maybe they'll send me one when the apocalypse is over, but I don't know, we'll see. Either way, I think I got a really pretty look today, and I'm happy to have this palette in my collection so I can just like keep dipping into it. It's gonna be like an everyday staple for me. Between that and Going Coconuts, like I could probably just have those 2 palettes for the rest of my next 4 months of living and be happy. That's it. Then I'll need some like greens and shit, but it's beautiful. Beautiful collection, beautiful palette, and I'm really happy that I ended up impulse buying it, really. What do you think of this mauve collection? Did you guys pick anything up, or are you planning to when Colourpop opens back up? Please let me know in the comments below, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!